a wise man. I couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. Tired of living like a blind man.
Are you rolling now?
All right.
An intro. Are you going?
Okay.
Okay.
Back again for another food review. QSR boys. Another crossover
episode with Nick and Solomon.
And we got an interesting one today.
The full chicken. Today we have what you know as chicken of a fried chicken variety, and it is Kentucky Fried. That's good.
Those fries.
French fries from KFC.
And today Solomon's gonna be the only one that eats it because I don't eat KFC.
And I keep trying to tell him it is really tasty.
So I told you, my uncle. So today we're gonna try and rebuild the chicken. We got a pretty typical bucket of KFC. We asked to make sure the whole chicken's in there, but
so it looks like we have all the parts for we got the leg. Okay, so
we're gonna staple it together. Okay.
I'm gonna get a plate.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna get a good shot of Solomon making the chicken.
We'll see if I can figure it out here. It looks like we have this the ribs and leg here, and they take them apart for I think just to cook them a little bit better, but what they don't tell you, because maybe they don't want you to know, is that you can put it back together. It will be just as tasty and look better too.
I hope we have the whole chicken. So as Solomon does chicken, I just want to give an advertisement for our channel. It's we just review foods, and most of the time we eat them, but I don't eat Kentucky Fried Chicken because of my uncle.
Yes.
And we thought we didn't have sticks, so we decided to use staples, paper clips.
And some of the conferences in Las Vegas and some of these places where they have their big food conference.
I don't know what part that is.
That's
this is chicken. We figured that's the head and the neck.
In some of the big food conferences where they are putting together these displays, they do. They'll use the paper clips because they're unbreakable and flexible. This is the head. This is the beak here, I think. It can be tricky because of the grease.
So you can see we've got the body and the legs.
This is one leg, 2 legs.
It's looking like a chicken.
And the final touch.
Solomon, you should get some good sounds out of it.
Well, you can tell just how moist it is from. You can hear it, and that's the full chicken. So.
So that's the. Okay, that's the chicken, and I don't eat KFC because of my uncle. But Solomon's gonna take a bite of our chicken, and we think we got the whole thing, except for we got an extra part.
Well, they screwed up on that one, but I will probably still go back to KFC again because that's good.
Okay, Solomon, big bite.
Well, here goes. Take the head. Oh, careful.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself. Those will get stuck in your gut real good.
And tastes so much better to have it assembled as one chicken, just like nature would intended.
That's good. Okay. Someone got a lot of fries. He's hungry today.
I worked up quite an appetite.
Perks of the job.
Well, we're going to check in with our other correspondent, Barry, from the Barry Shower Talk videos. See what he has to say.
Perks of the job.
Unfortunately, Barry couldn't talk today when we recorded the video.
I like the whole thing. I liked it all, and I especially really like the crunchy head of the chicken. And I say, go buy one and see for yourself. But for me, it is probably going to be 6. 6 out of 6.
Well, you heard the man. It was pretty good. Yeah, so like and subscribe to our channel. We're doing KFC chicken, and maybe next time we'll do Wendy's.
Or, yeah.
We don't know yet. We kind of figured out.
Leave us a comment for the in the description, and we'll do what you guys want to see.
Yeah,
Next one.
that's gonna actually do it.
And if it's bad, if it's bad, don't even suggest it, because we won't do it.
Never made it as a wise man. I couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. Tired of living like a blind man. I'm sick aside without a sense of feeling.
Solomon ate a whole chicken.
This is how you remind me. This is how